Welcome back to another episode of Crafting with Kara. I'm so glad you could join in. Today I have 3 DIYs for you. Come watch. Alright, the first thing I got out here are these signs. They're so cute. I got them at the Dollar Tree. And when you remove the top one, you don't ruin this item because it's still on the bottom. You'll see right here. Alright, here are the items you're going to need. This is from Walmart. It's a buffalo check placemat. It's 97 cents. 3 cutting boards from the Dollar Tree. This blessed and grateful sign. I'm just going to trace out my cutting boards onto the mat because I'm going to be cutting it out and placing it onto them. And I'm also going to hot glue all 3 of these cutting boards together. Alright, I don't really know what happened here. I had to cut this several times and fit it onto the little cutting boards. I couldn't get it right, but yeah, I eventually got it here. Alright, right here all I did was just wrap some twine around the necks of each one of my cutting boards. Well, there you have it. Here is the completed buffalo check cutting board sign sitting in my kitchen looking so cute. This project was so much fun, so easy, and so affordable. On to project number 2, I'm going to be taking another one of Dollar Tree's placemats. In the previous one I had a Walmart one, but this one is a Dollar Tree placemat. And I'm going to be using an item from one of my previous videos, Tricks and Hacks. This is a tray. And I didn't quite like what I did to it after all. Not so cute. So again, I'm going to take this placemat from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to turn my sign over and tape it off and paint it gray. Well, there you have it. Let's all gather. I just love how this sign turned out, and I love thrift store finds. All it took was one placemat from the Dollar Tree. Last project. This is an item I picked up from the Dollar General, and I didn't quite like the way it looked, so I took the pieces apart. And I took the wallpaper off, or the paper inside. I painted it because I kind of am going for a whole white theme in my kitchen now. I want everything white. So I painted the outer edge of this. And I'm going to leave the 2 stripes in the middle because I like that look. Then I just went ahead, put the original lettering back in, made myself a little wreath, and there you go. It's a fresh little sign ready to put up in the kitchen. Well, thanks for coming back to another episode of Crafting with Kara. I hope you liked my 3 DIYs today. Stay tuned for the next episode, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. Bye.